It is fascinating to see how drones are swiftly climbing to the apex of bot technology. Professional photographers and videographers now rely on this tool for their content. Drones provide people the one-of-a-kind chance to capture priceless moments in a way that no other technology has ever been able to. Even though some drones in the market are excellent, some are not worth the cost. Let us explore some of the fantastic features and functionalities of the SmartyDrone. Let's dive in the video. With the new SmartyDrone model, a person can check the footage while flying the quadcopter, using any smartphone, including those running Android and iOS. The new SmartyDrone is a quadcopter that has a 4K camera, can fly in all directions, and can be fully controlled with a smartphone. The nicest thing about this great drone is that it has several simple flight modes that make it suitable for both beginners and experienced pilots. The new SmartyDrone is a quadcopter with 360-degree flight capability, a 4K camera, the ability to create flight routes, precise handling from a smartphone, and numerous intelligent flight modes. If you're fed up with poor quality drones, or are simply looking to explore the world of drones, the SmartyDrone is a good place to start. Because of its one-button takeoff and landing, smartphone integration, and controller, anybody can operate SmartyDrone. This drone is powered by a 3.7 volts Li-ion rechargeable battery. It requires about 1 hour to be fully recharged, with a USB cable plugged into its micro USB port. Flight duration is a challenge for many drones, and this greatly impacts the user experience. From our evaluation of the gadget, SmartyDrone has an impressive flight time. Charging up SmartyDrone can power the device for 18 to 20 minutes on continuous use. While sitting in the air, SmartyDrone is able to rotate through 360-degree angles. This is particularly important if you want to capture every detail without producing blind angles. The dual 4K HD camera that captures high-quality images and produces videos at 25 frames per second. SmartyDrone has a zoom power of x50. From heights of 1,000 feet and higher, SmartyDrone produced relatively fine detailed images and videos, which we accessed from the smartphone. It's nighttime and everybody is still hooked on an interesting shoot. Here's when you need the LED lights. The illumination is super bright, sufficient to drive your shoot session amidst the darkening sky. We found two types of anti-collision sensors, front and side anti-collision sensors. SmartyDrone also has gravity sensors that guard against sudden falls and subsequent damage of the drone. 3 speed levels are available for the drone flight, which can be adjusted via the speed rotary dial on the drone controller. For any speed level, SmartyDrone can attain heights above 1,000 feet, and you won't compromise the field of view, which is set at 120 degrees. Additionally, it is built with gravity sensors and a strong plastic material. At night, you can use SmartyDrone without crashing against an obstacle thanks to its super bright LED lights at the front. All controls can be done from your smartphone and controller, making SmartyDrone easy to operate by anyone. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you found this content helpful. Hit the bell icon to get a notification as soon as I publish more videos. Feel free to leave a comment below if you have any questions regarding these products.